In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Android phone not receiving text messages. First, let's begin by restarting your phone. Restarting your device is a simple yet effective way to resolve many issues. To do this, press and hold the power button on the side of your phone. A menu will appear on the screen giving you several options. Look for the option that says Restart. This is important because a fresh start can solve temporary glitches that may be causing your phone to not receive text messages. Once you tap Restart, wait for your phone to power off and back on again. You will see the device logo appear, indicating that the restart is in progress. Next, we need to check your mobile signal. It's essential to ensure that you have a cellular signal for receiving messages. Look at the top of your screen for the signal bars. If you notice that the bars are low or missing, you may not have a good connection. If you are in an area with poor reception, try moving to a different location. Also, make sure airplane mode is off. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. If the airplane mode icon is highlighted, tap it to turn it off. This little step is crucial because it ensures your phone can connect to the network. From there, we need to make sure that Messages is set as the default app. Open the settings on your device, which you can find in your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the notification shade. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This menu allows you to manage all the applications on your phone. Next, tap on Default Apps. This is where you can set which applications your phone uses for specific tasks. Then tap on SMS app. Ensure that Messages is selected as the default. This matters because if another app is set as the default for text messages, you might miss incoming messages. Now, let's clear the Messages app cache. This step can help fix issues related to the app's performance. Start by going back to the Settings menu and tapping on Apps again. After that, find and tap on Messages in the list of installed apps. This action opens the app's information page. From here, tap on Storage. This will give you options related to how the app uses storage on your device. Look for the option that says Clear Cache and tap it. Clearing the cache will remove temporary files that may be causing problems. This makes sure your app runs smoothly and can help resolve issues with receiving messages. After completing these steps, take a moment to test if your phone is now receiving text messages. Send a message to your device from another phone or ask someone to send you a text. This is a good way to check if the previous actions have resolved the issue. If you still experience problems after trying all these steps, consider reaching out to your mobile carrier for further assistance. By following these straightforward steps, you can tackle the issue of not receiving text messages on your Android phone. Remember, regular maintenance like clearing app caches and ensuring settings are correct can prevent issues in the future. With patience and these tips, you can have your messaging working smoothly again. Thank you for watching.